My name is Paul Osensky. I am the Emergency Medical Services Director at Jackson College. A typical workday for an EMT or a paramedic will start by coming in, checking out your ambulance, making sure that everything is ready to go for the day. You will work a variety of different hours. Some places could work 8-hour shifts, 12-hour shifts, or 24-hour shifts depending on the organization that you're affiliated with. We're basically an emergency room on wheels. Jackson College offers the state-of-the-art equipment with all of our simulation aids. We have the new state-of-the-art mannequins to provide high-fidelity simulations. We have the driving simulator. We can bring a real-world situation or real-world experience into our program so that when our students leave, they are prepared to hit the ground running. When we go to respond, you are going to be put into situations that probably are not the most comfortable. We don't go to somebody's good day. We're there to help their bad day get a little bit better.